Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I've come up with another interesting and healthy recipe. It is a dip. You can also call it as white sauce, or you can use it for salad dressings inside your burgers, sandwiches, etc. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. To start with, I'm going to take a small bowl filled with curd. This is plain home-set thick curd. Now if your home-set curd is watery, don't worry. You just need to pass the curd through a strainer or use a muslin cloth and hang it so that the water content recedes from it. So next, into this curd, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, then 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, a pinch of chaat masala. This is optional. Those who do not like this flavor can avoid this. And then 1/4 teaspoon mixed herbs. Before adding mixed herbs, gently crush them between your palms and then add it to this curd. Now mix this really well till the sugar dissolves. Instead of sugar, you can also add in honey. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Now finally, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This is going to give a nice glaze and glossy effect to this sauce. Mix this really well using a whisk or a fork till the olive oil dissolves and blends completely with the curd. For more innovations, you can add in tomato sauce for a tangy burger sauce. You can also add coriander and mint chutney along with this for your tandoor starters. You can add garlic or any other herbs. You can experiment with this sauce. You can just simply use it as it is along with your nachos, chips, or for your sandwiches. So our instant and easy to make white sauce or salad dressing is ready. I hope you all like this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.